Alright guys, so today I'm going to be making some coconut drops. Alright, and you see these nice coconuts, so I'm going to cut these up. It's just 3 to 4 simple ingredients guys. Some coconut, some ginger, some brown sugar. You can tip a little bit of nutmeg, a little bit of vanilla if you want. Alright guys, so this is what you look like when your coconuts are cut up. Ready to go. I got some ginger, some brown sugar. Alright, let's get going. Alright guys, so this is everything ready. Get a pinch of salt, some vanilla, ginger, fresh ginger, some brown sugar, and some coconut diced. Alright, our water is almost there. We're going to bring this to a boil and we're going to get going. Alright guys, now that we're boiling, we're going to add our coconut. Ginger, salt, vanilla. Just gonna give it a quick stir. We're gonna go ahead and add our sugar. Now give this some nice stir. We're gonna let this reduce and go for like 25 to 30 minutes, but constantly stir. Alright, so you see it's starting to get thicker. Just make sure you keep mixing. Alright, use a wooden spoon or a plastic spoon. Alright guys, now this is what we're looking for. We want to see all these bubbles. You want to get that across the entire pot, so just keep stirring. Make sure it's not sticking yet, because we're not ready yet. We got at least 15 minutes to go. Alright, but that's what you're looking for. You want that nice bubble. Alright guys, we're almost there. We're getting there guys. You see they're starting to form. We're getting there. Not quite there yet. Just keep stirring guys. Keep stirring. When we come back, we should be very close, if not ready. Alright guys, now that's what you're looking for. It's a nice thick syrup. So we're going to go ahead and let this reduce a little bit more. And we're going to go ahead and share them out. I'm going to show you how to go and separate them for the cooling process. Make sure you keep stirring guys under the stick. Keep stirring. We're almost there. Alright guys, that's what you're looking for guys. That's how you know you're ready. When you see those bubbles starting to form, the sugar crystallizing, that's when you know you're ready guys. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn this down to low heat. We're going to get some parchment paper. If you're in the islands, you can get some banana leaves. That would be your go-to or your best bet, but I'm going to use some wax paper. And I'm going to go ahead and set these aside. Alright, get your wax paper. And I say if you got a banana leaf, that'd be better. But wax paper works just great. Alright, so we're going to go ahead now and careful because this is hot. Move our mixture a bit closer to us. Alright, now we're going to get a spoon. I'm just going to place it right there and just form it out in the shape that you want. Alright, I'm going to repeat that process. All right, guys, so we're just gonna let this cool right here, room temperature naturally, and I'll get back and separate them and show you. All right, guys, so after these are set, should be good now. They should just come right up. All right. All right. There you go, guys. That's what you got. Nice coconut drops. All right, easy to make. Go ahead and enjoy, guys.